That's great. I hope all of you are fine today. It's nice to see you again. You know what? Today we're gonna do some fun activity. It's gonna be exciting because today we will make sandwich. Do you like to eat sandwich? That's good. Inside of sandwich, we will put some healthy food. It's good for you. So everybody, let's check this video and we will do and make sandwich together. Okay, now let's redo it. So children, for making our sandwich, the ingredients that we need are 2 slices of bread. I'm using plain bread or you can use brown bread. And then tomato sauce and mayonnaise, lettuce, burger meat or ham if you want to use, sliced cheese, tomato. You can ask your mommy or your daddy to slice your tomato, and cucumber that already sliced too. Ask your parents to slice your tomato and cucumber. So before we are doing our sandwich, we are making our sandwich, don't forget to wash your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. So now we are ready to make sandwich. Okay, now let's take 2 slices of bread. Then we spread mayonnaise and tomato sauce together. So first I will put some mayonnaise and I will spread onto the bread. Mayonnaise and tomato sauce. We'll mix it together. We'll spread it on the bread. You can do the same thing also with the other bread. So I will mix mayonnaise and tomato sauce. And we'll mix it together. Okay. It's already. We can put some lettuce, one here and one the other side. Next, I will put some burger meat. If you want to make or if you want to use one, also okay. I'm using only one for one bread, and I will put sliced cheese into the other bread. So I will open this one. And I will place it onto the other bread. So it will be like this. Next, we will place some tomato, sliced tomato. Place it. This. And then for cucumber, you can place it into the cheese. If you already do like this, we will put the bread together like this. So our sandwich is done. If this one is too big for you, ask your mommy and your daddy to cut in half into triangle shapes. this. Okay, now it's time for you to enjoy your sandwich. Ta-da! It's easy, right? Now it's time for you to do your sandwich and you can enjoy your sandwich then. Wow! Look at these children! Look at our sandwich! It's so yummy! Now, look at children, this is my sandwich. If you finish to do your sandwich or to make your sandwich, you can enjoy your sandwich. Like me, it's time to enjoy our sandwich. This is so delicious and healthy too. Enjoy your sandwich, children. Bye!